Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Namina Shehzadi and I am from BS Maths department. Today my presentation topic is lead styphnate and I have submitted this presentation to Professor Dr. Hammad Majeed. Now let's start the presentation. First we discuss the introduction of lead styphnate. Lead styphnate, whose name is derived from strychnic acid, is used as an explosive as a component in primer in detonator mixture for less sensitive secondary explosives. Here is the formula of the lead styphnate. Here is a chemical formula C6H3O8 and Pb. Lead styphnate is only soluble in water and methanol. And here is the structure of the lead styphnate, which looks like a benzene, and here an NO2, Pb and O. Now moving to the next slide. Here we discuss the formation of lead styphnate. Although never substantiated, lead styphnate may have been discovered by Peter Gries in 1874. And in 1919, Edmund Hurst first established a preparation of anhydrous normal lead styphnate. Okay, the lead styphnate is basically formed by the reaction of magnesium styphnate with lead acetate in the presence of nitric acid. The whole reaction takes place in the presence of nitric acid. So it means that nitric acid is very important in the formation of lead styphnate. And below here is the chemical equation for the formation of the lead styphnate. Now moving to the next slide, we discuss some of the important properties of the lead styphnate, which made lead styphnate very popular in the area of the chemicals. So first of all, lead styphnate's heat of formation is -835 kJ per mole. Secondly, the loss of water leads to the formation of sensitive anhydrous material with a density of 2.9 gram per centimeter cube. The variation of colors remain unexplained. It means that in the formation of lead styphnate or the using of lead styphnate in another chemical, the variation of color remains unexplained. We cannot explain the color of the lead styphnate. And last one is, the lead styphnate has a detonation velocity of 5.2 km per second. Detonation velocity is very important in the area of chemicals, and lead styphnate has a very good detonation velocity and an explosion temperature of 265 to 280 degrees Celsius after 5 seconds. Here it discusses the explosion temperature, which remains after 5 seconds in the range of 265 to 280 degrees Celsius. Now we discuss the applications of lead styphnate, in which area lead styphnate is used, and it has a basic of lead styphnate. Lead styphnate is mainly used in small arms imitation for military and commercial application. It has a main use in military and in commercial. It serves as a primary explosive used in firearms primers, which will ignite upon a simple effect. And last one is, lead styphnate is also used as primer in microthrusters for small satellite station keeping. It means that lead styphnate has a brief application in military, in commercial, in primers, in microthrusters, in small satellite station keeping. Now moving to the next slide, here we discuss some hazards of the lead styphnate. Everything that has an advantage has also a disadvantage, or everything that has an application has also an hazards. So the hazards of the lead styphnate are, it can cause eye, skin and respiratory tract irritation. It can also contains a material which may cause blood, kidney, nervous system and reproductive adverse effects. Harmful if inhaled, swallowed or absorbed through the skin, and it also causes cancer based on effects in laboratory animals. It means that lead styphnate has a very big hazards over eye, skin, respiratory tract. It can also cause cancer, blood, kidney, nervous system and reproductive adverse effects. It means that we need very advanced precautions in use of the lead styphnate in laboratory or in chemical laboratory, etc. Thank you.